Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
Well, hello there. Welcome back. My name is Julie, and I am doing another product review. So I ordered, let me get it out of the box. I told you guys about this, that I had ordered myself a reusable ankle and foot cold pack. I paid for this myself. This is not sponsored, and even if it was sponsored, you would still get my very honest and thorough Frugal Mama review. So here it is. This is the NEWGO brand. You will find an Amazon affiliate link for this in the video description, where if you were to get one of these for you, if you need one, or anything else through that Amazon link, you would be supporting not only this channel, but all 3 of the Frugal Family channels, and it would mean the world to me. So thanks in advance. Okay. Oh, how sweet. How cute is that? And it says, okay, seriously, that is adorable. Little details, you guys, little details. Dear valued customer, hope our therapy pack can bring you more comforts and health. La la la, we provide a warranty. We'll take care of your issue in 1 day to ensure our customer experience, etc., etc. Thank you so much. Yours sincerely, NEWGO customer service team. That's fantastic. And then it comes with a zippy bag. Keep this resealable bag for product storage. That's not a bad idea. Isolate the therapy pack from the smell of the refrigerator. Food grade bag. Hey, that's, you know what? That's pretty fantastic. I am incredibly pleased with that, and actually feel kind of silly that I hadn't thought of that myself, that, yeah, your cold pack in the freezer, it takes on the smells of the freezer. So that's fantastic. Okay, I should mention, this can be used hot or cold. Ah, look at this. Hot, cold. It says, if you're going to use the cold side, freeze for at least 2 hours or until desired temperature has achieved. Caution, external use only. Do not use on unhealthy, damaged, or broken skin. Discard pack if punctured. Do not swallow. Use only as directed. Then for the hot side, heat and microwave for 20 seconds. If more heat required, reheat for 10-second intervals. Keep out of the reach of children. Do not overheat or overfreeze. Make sure the temperature is suitable before application. Doctor recommended therapy time is maximum 15 to 20 minutes at one time. The construction feels fantastic. I see no immediate concerns or problems. This is the best part of it. Well, the shape of it too, but this is what I'm excited about, is this Velcro strap so that we can wrap this around my foot and ankle. Many of you know that over a year ago, I did have foot reconstruction surgery. I went through lots of physical therapy. I am fully healed, but it has been bothering me lately as I attempt to push my limits and see what my foot and my body are capable of, getting more active, doing more things. It has started getting upset. So hopefully this is going to help bring all of that right back down, all of that pain and discomfort, that flare up. We're going to give it a try. Let's throw this in the freezer for, what did it say? 2 hours, and then we'll bring it back out. I'll bring you guys back, and we're going to put this on my foot at the most appropriate time after I have gone for today's walk. I have been climbing up and down my stairs, exercising, and doing laundry and chores and more chores and more chores all day. What better time than now to break out our NEWGO ankle cold pack? I am so excited. Nice and cold. Wonderful. Oh, yes. All right. Don't worry. In a follow-up video, I will try it out as a heat pack, but for my purposes, it is mainly the cold that I need for this foot and ankle. So let's try this out. I'm going to start with this part here. Now, the parts that hurt me the most are along here and the sides. So what we're going to try today is to address these side areas and see how well this works. I'm thinking I'm going to have to go kind of, let's see, this would be easier if I was like seated with my legs sticking out, but I don't know how well that would work for a video. So let me see if I can make this happen. Let's try like this. Ah, yes. I think I turned it around. Maybe I did. Oh well. No one said I'm an expert. Just a person buying stuff off Amazon to try and make my life better and less painful. Oh. So not only the cold, but also the compression of having tightened this around there. Oh, already that feels better. I am going to enjoy this for like 15 minutes. And then we will put it back in the freezer. And then a little bit later, we will try it in a different position. Maybe targeting more up here, though even in this position, I can feel it up there. But I'd like to, I don't know, try to address that a little more specifically next time. Okay, next we are going to attempt to do it kind of this way. Wonder if I can go like this. It's a bit of a to-do to get it on by yourself, especially being less capable myself and overweight right now. This is a little tricky to do on your own. Definitely would be easier if you had someone helping. Does it do what it is meant to do? Yes, it does. Okay, so I finally did the smart thing and actually looked at the instructions. How about that?
I am too smart. I am too smart.
And check that out. Beautiful. That is fantastic. It feels amazing. It'll feel a lot better when I'm sitting down. Like I said, I bought this primarily for my ankle and my foot, but I will include some images here from the website showing how it can be used for other parts of your body, including your elbows, your knee, other areas where you are experiencing pain and inflammation. Oh, this definitely feels better. You know what'll feel even better than this? Is elevating it with the ice.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
My darlings, thank you so much for watching today's review video. I do hope that it was helpful and enjoyable. I also hope very much that you are subscribed. I have a lot more honest and thorough product review videos coming soon, along with lots of other fabulous content. Well, I think it's fabulous, and hopefully you will too. I'd love to have you along for my adventures. Have a beautiful day. Have a wonderful week. We will see you all very soon.